well, we got the headlights done. As you can see in there, looking a little bit better. Not perfect, but especially from where they were, they look quite a bit less cloudy, a little more clear, and you know, that's gonna be good enough for me. But as you can see, the we got quite a bit of Scotch tape masking off parts of the car, pretty much all the way around, all the trim pieces, right? So the last thing on this SAAB beautification video, I guess we'll call it, is along with the other Cerakote stuff we got for the headlight kit, and then ceramic coating spray that we used for on some wheels. That'll be in a different video. But we also got the ceramic trim coat restoration kit. So pretty much just wipe on, and it's supposed to make the black trim that's all faded come back. I did do like a little test spot of it right there, and it is looking pretty damn good, because obviously like this is the faded stuff compared to what that looks like, and that was just with a little bit of one wipe. So definitely looks really good. I just want to try that, make sure, you know, I kind of see what it looked like before I masked everything off. And did I necessarily need to mask all this shit off? Probably not, but you know, it's not necessarily great for your paint, I believe. So it is what it is. And then obviously I know pulling that tape off is going to be super satisfying once we're done. So either way, it makes it a little bit cleaner. Just got to put that work in first, and then the rest of it should be pretty easy now. So we'll get our gloves on, pull those wipes out, and then just get to wiping, man. all the other ones are, all the other trim pieces are curing right now. So for real, the last thing is this little part on the bumper. Might be a little hard to see, and you might not be able to completely tell on camera, but there are parts of it that are quite faded. And yeah, I think you can see some of it right there. I tried some of the same stuff, that Cerakote stuff, as we did on the other trim, but since some of it's so faded, it just couldn't pull the black out on all of it. So I made this little overspray catcher 5000 cardboard aided design masterpiece, and we're gonna try. I also got this stuff. It's back to black trim and plastic restore. So we're gonna do that, give it a little spray, see what that does for us, and then if it doesn't fix our issue and kind of restore some of that black, we might just get some gloss black spray and just paint it. But we'll go ahead and see what this can do for us. Alright, well, to be honest, it doesn't necessarily look like it's helping. So I think we're just gonna paint it.